Hi, my name is Nowosad. I'm a PhD student at the University of Guelph, and my research is based on building a DNA barcode reference library for freshwater invertebrates in the Canadian Middle Arctic. This research is extremely important because this library currently just doesn't exist, which limits our understanding of baseline ecology in this region. The goals of this chapter is to build a high-quality DNA catalog in the Cambridge Bay region of Victoria Island and Nunavut, and to quantify biodiversity in local freshwater systems. So I'm doing that by going to the region, doing tons of collections of freshwater invertebrates in rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds, and bringing them back down to Guelph and individually sequencing thousands and thousands of specimens. In the reference library, I have approximately 2,500 records, with an additional 4,000 being added from the 2021 field season. This is an example of an INEXT figure. So INEXT stands for interpolated, extrapolated, and essentially it just uses data to understand how complete your sampling is in terms of the whole system. So you can see for Cambridge Bay, it hasn't plateaued. The curve continues to go upwards, which indicates that a lot of additional sampling will be needed to get a proper understanding of biodiversity in this region. And it is useful to say that Cambridge Bay on this figure only has about 2,000 records. So the additional 4,000 I'm adding from this field season will be a huge help. And just for reference, Cambridge Bay is on an island and the other community on this figure, Kugluktuk, is on the mainland. This is another tool that I use to assess sampling completeness. So this particular figure is showing family Chironomidae, which are in order Diptera, which are flies. So this is by far the most diverse family, probably out of any family I find in my study region. And I wanted to show this because it just emphasizes how much more collection we need to get a full understanding of what lives there. I shared my results with the community by presenting to the high school. We hired 2 local youth from the community to work alongside us for the past 3 field seasons. And I also have a number of activities planned for next summer season, including knowledge sharing walks. And I'm also working with the Arctic Eider Society to create a data pipeline from this project to the new app called Siku.